The evolving landscape of SMAC, maintaining your certification's relevance in a dynamic ecosystem. The acronym SMAC, Social, Mobile, Analytics, and Cloud, has become synonymous with the digital revolution that has transformed how businesses operate and interact with customers. Understanding the SMAC stack's fluidity. Social. The social media landscape is far from static. New platforms emerge, while established ones evolve their functionalities and user bases. Mobile. The mobile realm is even more dynamic. With ever-increasing smartphone penetration and advancements in mobile technology, new user behaviors and expectations are constantly emerging. Analytics. The world of data analytics is undergoing a paradigm shift. The proliferation of big data necessitates expertise in big data tools and techniques like Hadoop and Spark. Cloud. Cloud computing is the bedrock of modern IT infrastructure. The dominance of cloud giants like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP, necessitates familiarity with their specific offerings and functionalities. Strategies to maintain certification relevance. Continuous learning. Embrace a growth mindset and commit to lifelong learning. Numerous online courses, workshops, and certifications offered by platforms like iCert Global can equip you with the latest skills. Recertification. Many SMAC certifications offer renewal programs or require periodic recertification exams. Conclusion. In conclusion, the SMAC landscape is a living, breathing entity. By acknowledging its fluidity, committing to continuous learning, and actively engaging with the industry, you can ensure your SMAC certification remains a valuable asset in your professional arsenal.